Ever wondered why dental health is so crucial, or what options exist for restoring a damaged tooth? Well, dental health is fundamental to our overall well-being. It's about more than just a beautiful smile. It's a gateway to good nutrition, clear speech, and self-confidence. One way to maintain this health is through dental restorations. There are several types, but we'll focus on light-cured composite restorations, a modern, versatile solution to tooth damage. Stay tuned to learn more about the fascinating process of light-cured composite restorations. Dive into the world of light-cured composite restorations, a modern, effective solution for damaged teeth. These restorations are a type of dental filling which blends seamlessly with the natural tooth, making it a popular choice for both dentists and patients alike. But what exactly are light-cured composite restorations? They are made from a compound of acrylic resin and finely ground glass-like particles that together form a tooth-colored restoration. The magic happens when this composite material is exposed to a special curing light. The light triggers a reaction that hardens the composite, allowing it to bond strongly with the tooth. These restorations have gained popularity due to their superior aesthetic appeal, durability, and the ability to be used in a variety of dental procedures, from filling cavities to repairing chipped or broken teeth. Now that we understand what light-cured composite restorations are, let's delve into the step-by-step process. The process of light-cured composite restorations is meticulous, requiring precision and expertise. Let's delve into the initial steps of the process, which lay the foundation for a successful restoration. It all begins with the preparation of the tooth. This is a critical stage that sets the stage for everything that follows. The tooth needs to be cleaned thoroughly to remove any existing decay or debris. This is done using dental tools and a solution that disinfects the area, ensuring a clean slate for the restoration. Once the tooth is prepared, the next step is the application of a bonding agent. This is a special substance that works to create a strong bond between the tooth and the composite material. The bonding agent is applied in a thin layer, covering the entire surface of the tooth where the composite will be placed. After the bonding agent has been applied, we move on to the placement of the composite. This step is where the magic really happens. The composite, which is a tooth-colored material, is applied to the tooth in layers. Each layer is carefully shaped and sculpted to mimic the natural contours of the tooth. This is a painstaking process that requires a keen eye for detail and a steady hand. The goal is to create a restoration that not only functions like a natural tooth, but also looks like one. Once the composite is in place, it's then hardened using a special light. This light, known as a curing light, emits a specific wavelength of light that triggers a chemical reaction in the composite, causing it to harden and set. Halfway through the process, the restoration starts to take shape. This is where we pause and take a moment to appreciate the transformation that's beginning to unfold. In the next part, we will continue with the remaining steps of the process, ensuring a successful and aesthetically pleasing restoration. Continuing from where we left off, let's explore the rest of the process. The next step in light-cured composite restorations involves the curing of the composite. This is an essential stage where the composite material is hardened using a special light. This light isn't just any ordinary light. It emits a specific wavelength that triggers the hardening process in the composite material. This process is incredibly fascinating as it transforms a malleable substance into a hard, durable material that can withstand the rigors of daily chewing and biting. Once the composite material has been fully cured, it's time to shape and polish the restoration. The dentist carefully sculpts the composite to mimic the natural shape of the tooth. This is a meticulous process that requires a keen eye for detail and a steady hand. The dentist chisels, grinds, and smooths the composite until it mirrors the contours of a natural tooth. The aim is to make the restoration as unnoticeable as possible. It's like a piece of art, with the dentist being the sculptor, bringing the composite to life. But the process isn't over just yet. After shaping and polishing, the dentist conducts a final check for bite accuracy. This is to ensure that the restoration feels comfortable and natural in the mouth. The dentist asks the patient to bite down and move their jaw in various directions. If any high spots or discomfort are detected, the dentist will make the necessary adjustments. This final step is crucial because it ensures the restoration doesn't just look good, but also functions properly. The process of light-cured composite restorations is intricate and requires a high level of skill, but the result is worth it. The restoration is robust, functional, and aesthetically pleasing. It's almost like giving the tooth a second chance at life. With the process complete, the light-cured composite restoration blends seamlessly with the natural teeth. It's the perfect blend of science and artistry, providing a solution that enhances dental health and boosts confidence. Light-cured composite restorations provide a revolutionary solution for dental restorations. Let's take a moment to highlight the key points about these cutting-edge restorations. One of the most remarkable aspects of light-cured composite restorations is their aesthetic appeal. These restorations are designed to match the color of your natural teeth, creating a seamless blend that's virtually undetectable. This makes them an excellent choice for those who value a natural-looking smile. Moreover, light-cured composite restorations are incredibly durable. Manufactured from a high-quality composite material, these restorations are designed to withstand the pressures of daily life. Whether you're biting into a crisp apple or enjoying a hearty steak, you can count on your light-cured composite restoration to stand up to the task. But the real magic lies in the process involved. Light-cured composite restorations are applied in layers, each one hardened by a special light. This meticulous procedure allows for precise shaping and contouring, ensuring the restoration fits perfectly within your mouth. It's a blend of art and science, all aimed at restoring your smile to its former glory. And let's not forget, these restorations are not just about appearances. They also play an essential role in protecting your teeth from further damage, preventing issues like decay and infection from taking root. Remember, maintaining good dental health is vital, and light-cured composite restorations offer a reliable option for those in need of dental restorations.